Hello everybody, welcome to Vroom Vroom Zoom. If this is your first time, welcome. Yeah, I'm in a bit of a pickle at the moment because my video editing software has just carked it for no reason whatsoever. So all of these videos for the next immediate little future is going to be one take. So I'm really sorry. No editing at all on these videos, but here we go. So now, it's become a bit of a tradition that I do a cleanup every year, and you can see there's some jackets over there that I'm going to get rid of soon. And yeah, one of the things that I am going to do a bit of a clean out of are these gloves. And yeah, I've got a couple of things to say about them. So today, in this video, I'm going to cover the RST. So let's start with the RST. So these are the gloves that I've been using for quite some time, and I mean, you can tell it's, you know, some of the stuff's worn away. Yeah, the fabric's starting to go a little bit, but sometimes like a product comes along and you just gotta wonder why there isn't more of it like this. And these RST gloves, they look like everyday sort of gloves, but there's something really special about them that made me buy them. And it's only one reason why I'm going to get rid of them. But anyway, the thing that this glove has that a lot of other gloves do not is, if you look carefully, it has only external stitching. So who would have thought? So what I mean by that is when you put your hand inside this glove, there's no actual stitches inside at all. So let me just quickly show you. One-handed, here we go. So when my hand is inside here, like all I feel is this material here. It's nice and soft on the inside. This leather on these gloves. They're about $100. And what that does is it really gives a really good feel on the handlebar and the throttle. Okay, so it is really just a really nice feeling glove on the inside. Okay, so yeah, I've never had gloves like that before. I've never seen gloves like that, and they just feel really, really nice on the inside. So yeah, they're a little bit of special something that I'm not sure if all other gloves have. The build quality after a few years, I mean, it is still together, it still works, everything's great on it. I'm just going to show you the one thing though that the reason I'm going to get rid of them, and that is that my hand, it doesn't quite fit. And what I mean by that, I don't know if I can show you, but my fingers don't reach all the way to the tip. So there's about you know, like that much that my finger is not inside. And so when I go to grab my brakes, it kind of like flicks. I can see, but it kind of flicks like that sometimes. Yeah, it's kind of bent over a little bit like that. That's the little extra section there. Yeah, no good. So that's been a little bit, I don't know, it's a bit of a safety issue, I feel. And there's been a couple of times when I've kind of like just got a little bit distracted by that happening. So this is a men's glove, and I'm gonna be truthful here that I actually currently ride in women's gloves. I'll show you those now. My local motorcycle shop, and the guy recommended I try on some women's gloves, and I mean, I don't give a crap, you know, men's, women's, whatever. But these are the gloves I ride with now, and you can see the difference between. Let's get the pair like that. You see how the gloves, the fingers are way longer. There you go. You can see like that difference in the length, and I think especially in terms of safety, like this way better, just perfect to the tip feel in these sort of fabricy, really nice alpine style gloves. I'm loving these. They were about $80, $90. Okay, but so these are actually better feeling gloves, better winter gloves as well, but just, yeah, too long. Just too long. I was gonna get my mum to maybe overlocker them over here. I thought, nah, it's a bit dodgy. So yeah, it's time for them to go. They've been awesome gloves, but yeah, not for me anymore.